2013 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 Z71. Got a beautiful setup on it, got beautiful wheels, nice fenders, really well done. This guy's just a fan. We didn't actually do any of this work. He drove down from Indiana, was in town, said, I want to meet the exhaust addicts. So we said, you know what, man, let's just film your truck, put it on the channel for you. So it's got cats right there and right there. Then it goes all the way down, and he had Y pipe, straight pipes out the back, right there, into his 4-inch or 3-inch stainless steel exhaust tips, right there and right there. Beautiful looking truck. And we just want to say thank you to him for being a great fan, and we appreciate all our fans. Thank you all for everything you guys do for us. We wouldn't be where we are without y'all. So this is the same truck. We didn't really like the tips that he had, so we went ahead and gave him, did for him these nice 4-inch double wall exhaust tips. Right there and right there. Nice and shiny. Will keep all the heat on the inside. And as long as you wipe them down, they shouldn't get dirty or anything like that. They'll be nice and clean. So, I'll hear you guys here in a second. Wow. Wow. 115 decibels. That's crazy. Wow. Sounds so good though. Wow, that's beautiful. There you go. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. Right there. He said he's in town. Drove all the way from Indiana. He's on vacation here in Nashville and decided to come visit us. So we really appreciate him.